Hey, it's me, Kinghuman. Listen up. You want to learn how to make a couple of grand with a video, just putting a video up on YouTube? Okay, check out this video. It might help you out. All right, here's what's doing. I'm going to show you a platform that's made me about 40 grand so far. And the cool thing is it's recurring income. So I don't have to do anything. The money just comes in. I withdraw it weekly or whatever. I can withdraw it once a week if I want. You got to see this. Maybe it'll help you guys out. Maybe it won't. And I'll show you guys how to monetize your YouTube videos so you can make money using this platform. Plug this platform into some of your YouTube videos, and it could possibly make you some good bank. So here, check this out. Let's go onto my computer right now. Okay, let's get into this. I've logged into my platform here, and I want to show you guys what it's doing because I've gotten like 3 emails this past week from people saying, hey, go back to that thing, show us more about that and expand on that. So, I want to show you guys how you can make big bucks, possibly. I mean, I don't know you from a can of Spam, but you could possibly make the kind of money that I made with this platform, and it's so easy. At least it was for me. Now let me go in here, and I'll because I talked about how much I made. Let me show you what my earnings are. I'll be totally transparent with you here. So far, I've gotten paid $37,760.88, and I got paid 371 euros. Well, 371.55 euros. Now, I have available to me another 42.84 euro and $1,667.02. Now, what does that mean, available? That means I can withdraw that. So all I have to do is come and hit this withdraw button, and it goes right into my PayPal account. Or I can ask for a check, and they'll send me a check. And the cool thing about this money here is I didn't do anything to earn it. It comes in, it's recurring income that comes in on autopilot. I don't have to do any work. This has been the easiest money I've ever made. So let me show you guys how you could possibly do what I have done. And again, I want to stress possibly because I don't know you from a can of Spam. I don't know if you're a total imbecile. Maybe you don't even know how to turn on a computer. I don't know. I'm just going to try and help you and show you what I've done and what I know about this thing. So what I'm talking about, let me go here into, let's see, money-making funnels. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, the platform is called Builderall. So if you go to builderallsystem.online, you can sign up and do exactly what I do. Now, if you go to builderallsystem.online and sign up, you're going to be able to get exactly the exact same business opportunity that I have. In other words, you're going to be able to be an affiliate for this business, for this platform. And I want to tell you, being an affiliate for this platform is like owning your own business. This is cool. Some people say, oh, affiliate, that's bullshit. No, it's not. It's like owning your own business. If you've got the right mental attitude and, look at it like, hey, I can just buy my way into this business. It's almost like buying a franchise. But here's the cool thing. Here's how I want to tell you guys how to make money with this. If you look here, there's all these funnels right here. This is all about the Builderall business opportunity. So it comes with like this basic funnel. If you go to builderallsystem.online, before you even do that, I want to be 100% transparent. Say that's my affiliate link. So if you go to builderallsystem.online and sign up, I get paid. I get paid money. That's this business. Now, that's this business model. But here's the thing. It doesn't cost you anything extra to sign up through my link. It's just a courtesy. It's just a solid that you would do for me because I'm turning you on to something and I'm trying to help you out. You don't have to use my link. Using my link or not using my link isn't going to change my lifestyle one little bit. I'd appreciate it if you do use my link, but whatever. So here's what happens. If you go to builderallsystem.online, you can sign up and you can get the same business opportunity I'm using to make this kind of money. And you will get your own link. Your link will be different than builderallsystem.online. You can name it what you want. And then once you have that, you can share that link on social media. And that's all I did, to make my money, to make this, whatever it is, $37,000, almost $40,000 now once I withdraw this money. And with the euros and everything, yeah, it's probably 40,000 bucks. So all I did was I went on social media and I mentioned the platform and I showed a little bit about it. And I said, hey, jump on board, and go explore it because there's a good opportunity here. That's all I did. If I had spent more than 3 hours promoting this, I would be surprised. So you do the math. $40,000 divided into 3 or 4 hours. Okay, $10,000 an hour I'm making on this platform. But I'm digressing. Let me go over here to Money Making Funnels again, because I want to show you there are so many ways to make money with this platform. There's 3 basic things you can do with this. Well, first of all, let me go into here. You can, let's see, Pixel Perfect, new website. Oh, sales funnels. Let's see that. This comes with, this is basically a ClickFunnels killer kind of thing. It comes with all kinds of pre-made funnels ready for you to use. And they're programmed with, the whole email sequences and the upsells and the downsells. All you have to do is kind of plug in your products to them. So that's one way you can really benefit, is just using this yourself. Use the platform yourself. It also comes with websites. Check this out. A bunch of websites in a bunch of different categories, business categories. Local business, it's got landing pages, it's got design agencies, health and beauty websites, fashion websites. So I guess what you could do, glasses stores, and you want to get the business classification, because that's going to give you the right to resell all the business funnels. Let me go into the money making funnels. I'll show you the other way you can make money with this. Now you can make money by promoting the BizOp, which is what I've done. That's all I did. I just went onto social media and shared my social link, or not my social link, my Builderall link, builderallsystem.online. I just shared it on social media. I think I maybe did 2 or 3 YouTube videos and maybe 2 mentions on Facebook, and I think I might have done a little couple of pay-per-click ads on Facebook. That's it. 40 grand in my pocket. So, I'm not saying that you're going to be that successful with it. I don't know. But here's the cool thing. Look, they've got training in here. It goes from basic training to intermediate training to advanced training. So I suggest that you get in here and you take the training. But here's what's cool. All of these funnels, you now own them. They give you pre-made funnels, done for you funnels to promote and make money with. And remember, this is the best kind of money because it's recurring income money. So when you can do work once and have it make money for you on autopilot from that point on, that's like being a boss, because that's what a boss does. He hires an employee once, and that employee makes money for him, as long as that person is working. The boss doesn't have to work. The employee's doing the work for him. Well, this is like making little robot employees and putting them out there on social media, and they'll work for you 24/7. So anyway, that was a digression, but you can see here's another funnel that you get. This is a viral funnel. I forget how it works. You can check it out if you want. Here's a promo leverage funnel. I don't know what the hell that is. Mailing Boss. Okay, that's the other thing. This platform comes with its own autoresponder. So if you use Aweber, GetResponse, whatever, you don't really need it. You can use their built-in Mailing Boss as their name for their autoresponder. But here's the cool thing. You can also run Facebook ads targeting people that are looking for an autoresponder. Just plug in those keywords into your Facebook ads. I hope you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, you need to take a course on Facebook pay-per-click marketing. And, you know, you can find that training in the money pages on my website, the Kinghuman Elite. But I'm not trying to, you know, pitch anything here. Just you can go anywhere and learn about Facebook pay-per-click ads. But anyway, all I would do is you grab your link here. Oh, by the way, see how long that link is and ugly it is? Well, they even have a built-in URL shortener. So if you come in here and paste in the long, ugly URL and hit that button, you get a shortened URL that you can use in social media, whatever, emails, whatever. There it is. It's pretty cool. They kind of thought of almost everything in here, and it's cheap. For what you're getting, this is so cheap. So anyway, what I was getting at is if you put in your Facebook ad targeting keywords like Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, you know, all the different autoresponder names and things like email marketing and, you know, best autoresponder, things like that. What's going to happen is when people go on Facebook and they start doing searches for autoresponders, they're going to see, or they're in, you know, email marketing groups or whatever, they're going to see your ad, and your ad's going to be like, hey, don't get Aweber, get this mailing boss, because not only is it a autoresponder that does this, and this, but it comes with all this other stuff. You know, why just buy an autoresponder when you can get all this other stuff too? You can get your own website builder. You can get your own sales funnels. You can get, you know, all the stuff that Aweber doesn't have, and for less than half the price. You know, that's the kind of advertising you want to do. Now, here's what I suggest. This is what I would do. This is my best advice. Come in here. Come to builderallsystem.online, sign up, get your business license, you know, sign up to be a Builderall business person, and then come in here and do a bunch of different tutorials on all of the different features. You know, instead of making a stupid video like I made, make an in-depth video showing the advantages of all of these different, you know, websites like these sales funnels. You know, get into it, really expand on it, show people how cool this thing is, and then do 2 of them a week. One on sales funnel. The next one you want to do is on, you know, the websites, and, you know, just really get into every aspect of this. And of course, show your personal business link and get people to sign up under you, because that's going to give you recurring income every month. So I hope this makes sense. I mean, I don't know. I'm rambling. I'm not, you know, personally, I haven't gotten into any of this stuff. I don't use any of it. The only thing I ever did was promote the business aspect. That's all I ever did. I came in here, I signed up because I thought it sounded cool. I thought it was a good thing, and then I just took my builderallsystem.online link and I put it on social media. That's it. You know, boom goes the dynamite. So again, I can't promise that's what's going to happen for you. You know, you're not going to make, I mean, I'm not going to promise that you're going to make 40 grand like I did so far, and it keeps coming in. It's recurring income. But it would be cool if you made more than me. Maybe you'll make more than me. Maybe you'll make nothing at all. I don't know. But it's worth a shot, you know. So there it is, guys. Do it, don't do it. You know, it's not gonna, you know, it's not gonna be any skin off my nose either way. I'm just trying to help a couple of you guys that emailed me, and anybody else that watches this video. And please feel free to share this video with people that you think might benefit from it. If you got a lazy slacker nephew like I do that doesn't want to do shit, lays around, plays video games all day, just a total waste of space. Maybe try and, send him this video. Maybe he'll get interested and start being a little productive. I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. I'm going to go. All right. Hey, donate a few bucks to help a sick kid at St. Jude's Research Hospital for Kids. What could be better? And, bye, Inara. Maximum respect and all the best.